Hi, today I'll show you how to export a PNG logo into 3D mesh in Blender. First, I will use this logo as example. I will trace it by using black and white logo, expand it and delete all the white part. Save it as SVG or scalable vector graphic. After it's done, go to Blender and import SVG. Here's the logo. Right-click all the logo part and click Join. Adjust the position you prefer. On the data, go to Geometry and increase the extrude amount. On the wireframe, we can see the vertex are still messy, so we have to remesh it. And as said before on my other videos, go to Modifier, search Remesh, check on the Smooth, and keep decreasing the voxel until it turns to be the original shape. Make sure you have converted it into mesh so you can apply it on the modifier. Okay, that's it. This is the mesh and I'm gonna put a metallic texture on it. You can also adjust it as much as you want, or maybe you want to render or animate it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and